Inventions by Canadians. Insulin. Canadian scientists Sir Frederick Banting, Charles Best, James Collip, and John MacLeod discovered and developed insulin as a treatment for diabetes in the early 1920s. Their groundbreaking work revolutionized the management of diabetes worldwide. Canadarm. The Canadarm is a robotic arm used on NASA's Space Shuttle program. It was designed and developed by the Canadian company Spar Aerospace in the 1970s, enabling precise maneuvering and assembly of payloads in space. BlackBerry. The BlackBerry smartphone, known for its secure messaging and email capabilities, was invented by Canadian company Research in Motion, now BlackBerry Limited. It became a popular device worldwide, especially among professionals, in the early 2000s. Walkie-talkie. The walkie-talkie, a portable two-way communication device, was co-invented by Canadian inventor Donald Hings in the 1930s. His invention played a significant role in military communications during World War II. IMAX. IMAX, the large-format film projection system, was developed by Canadian engineers Graham Ferguson, Roman Kreuter, and Robert Kerr in the 1960s. IMAX revolutionized the cinema experience, offering immersive and high-resolution visuals. Standard Time. Sir Sandford Fleming, a Canadian engineer and inventor, proposed the concept of worldwide standard time zones in the late 19th century. His efforts contributed to the establishment of the international system of timekeeping that we use today. Electric wheelchair. George Klein, a Canadian engineer, invented the first electric wheelchair in the 1950s. His invention significantly improved mobility and independence for individuals with mobility impairments. Java programming language. James Gosling, a Canadian computer scientist, played a key role in the development of the Java programming language. Java has become one of the most widely used programming languages globally, powering numerous applications and systems. Instant replay. The concept of instant replay in sports broadcasting was pioneered by Canadian television producer and inventor George Retzlaff. His invention revolutionized sports broadcasting by allowing viewers to see key moments from different angles. Snowblower. Arthur Sickard, a Canadian inventor, developed the first practical snowblower in the early 20th century. His invention made snow removal more efficient and less labor-intensive, especially in regions with heavy snowfall. Alkaline battery. Canadian engineer Louis Urey invented the long-lasting alkaline battery in the 1950s while working for the Ever-Ready Battery Company. Alkaline batteries became a common power source for numerous devices. 5-pin bowling. Thomas F. Ryan invented 5-pin bowling in Canada in 1909. This variation of bowling, played with smaller balls and pins, remains popular primarily in Canada. Cardiac pacemaker. Electrical engineer John Hopps developed the first external cardiac pacemaker in the late 1940s. His invention laid the foundation for the development of life-saving implantable pacemakers. Electronic music synthesizer. Hugh LeCaine, a Canadian physicist and composer, invented the electronic sackbut, one of the earliest electronic music synthesizers, in the 1940s. His invention contributed to the development of electronic music. Robertson screwdriver. Canadian inventor Peter L. Robertson invented the square socket screwdriver, commonly known as the Robertson screwdriver, in the early 20th century. It offers improved efficiency and reliability in driving screws. Prosthetic hand. Canadian inventor Helmut Lucas developed the first fully articulating myoelectric prosthetic hand in the 1970s. His invention revolutionized the field of prosthetics, providing greater dexterity and natural movement for amputees. Paint roller. Canadian Norman Breaky invented the paint roller in 1940. This invention made painting walls and surfaces easier and more efficient. Jolly jumper. Olivia Poole, a Canadian mother, invented the Jolly jumper in 1910. This baby exercise device allows infants to bounce and develop coordination in a safe and entertaining way. Electric oven. Thomas Ahern, a Canadian inventor and entrepreneur, developed the first electric oven for commercial use in 1882. His invention revolutionized cooking methods and eventually led to the development of modern electric stoves. These inventions showcase the ingenuity and creativity of Canadian inventors, with significant contributions in fields ranging from medical breakthroughs and space technology to communication, film, and transportation. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe my channel.